Are you pushing the button?
$10 for every 5 push-ups, but you have to do a minimum of 500 push-ups every day.
I'm sorry. My fault. Hey,
Have a
look.
boxing match with the first person you see when you
that's
click
fucked
share
up.
and more,
Hey,
but
wow.
the loser has to eat
Wow.
100
That
raw
was actually-
eggs in one sitting. Meet a famous actor, but he starts yelling at you for stepping on his shoe. Gain the ability to become a renowned scientist, but you'll lose the ability to appreciate the beauty of nature. Gain the ability to time travel, but you can't choose when or where you'll end up. Be able to control the behavior of animals, but you'll lose the ability to form close bonds with pets. Have the power